Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to attach a file in Zoom Chat on mobile, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in, start a meeting. You can start an instant meeting or join a scheduled one, whichever works for you. This will take you into the active meeting interface where you'll see the video screen. Once you're in the meeting, tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the meeting controls at the bottom. These controls give you access to all the essential features during your call. Among these options, you'll see the chat button. Go ahead and tap on it. This opens the chat panel where you can send messages and files to participants. Now, before you send a file, you'll notice you have two options at the top of the chat panel. You can send files to everyone in the meeting or to a specific participant. For this example, we'll send the file to everyone, so make sure that option is selected. This ensures all participants in the meeting will be able to see and download the file you're sharing. Next, look at the bottom left corner of the chat panel. You'll see a plus icon there. Tap on it to open up the file sharing options. From the menu that appears, tap on File. This will reveal several options for where you can pull files from, including Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft SharePoint, Google Drive, and Box. These integrations allow you to share files directly from your cloud storage if needed. For this example, tap on File again. This option lets you browse files stored directly on your device. Once you tap it, you'll be taken to your device's file browser. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and locate the file you want to share. When you find it, simply tap on the file to select it. You'll see it get highlighted or checked, indicating it's ready to be sent. Finally, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a send button there. Tap on it and your file will be uploaded and shared with everyone in the meeting. Depending on the file size, it might take a few seconds to upload, so just give it a moment. Once it's sent, all participants will be able to view and download the file directly from the chat. And that's it. You've successfully attached and sent a file in Zoom Chat on mobile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.